Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Asana for your personal life. Whether you're trying to organize daily tasks, manage personal goals, or simply keep track of reminders, Asana can be a powerful tool for your personal productivity. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your admin dashboard where you can start organizing your personal tasks, projects, and goals. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for free. Step 2. Setting up your personal projects. Once you're in, you can start by creating a new project specifically for your personal life. For example, you can create a project for your daily tasks, personal goals, or even a shopping list. The process is simple. Just click on Add New Project and choose between options like Blank Project, To-Do List, or any templates that suit your needs. You can customize your projects to fit your lifestyle. For example, if you're working on home improvement, you can set up a project with tasks like research paint colors, schedule contractor, and pick up supplies. Asana's flexibility allows you to organize your personal life as you would a work project, keeping everything in one place. Step 3. Setting up tasks and subtasks. Now that you have your project set up, you can add tasks to it. In your personal projects, you can set daily, weekly, or monthly tasks. For instance, you might add a task called Morning Routine with subtasks like Make Bed, Drink Water, and Plan Day. This helps you break down larger goals into manageable chunks, which is key for staying on track. Asana also allows you to assign due dates to tasks, so you can plan your day or week in advance. You can even set recurring tasks, like a weekly review task to go over your progress every Sunday. Step 4. Using Asana for personal goals. One of the best features of Asana is its ability to help you set and track personal goals. To set a goal, head over to the Goals section in Asana. You can create personal goals such as exercise more or read 12 books this year. For each goal, you can map out the strategy by breaking it into smaller tasks, which could be tracked with milestones and due dates. This method is a great way to track long-term personal objectives and keep yourself accountable. Asana lets you set a time period for your goals so you can track progress over the year, quarter, or any time frame that works best for you. Step 5. Using Asana as a portfolio. For those looking to keep multiple aspects of their personal life organized, Asana also allows you to create portfolios. Portfolios are a great way to track various projects, whether it's your fitness journey, home renovations, or travel plans. You can create a portfolio to get an overview of all your active personal projects. This helps you see how different areas of your life are progressing and can help you prioritize tasks effectively. For instance, you can see how your fitness goals align with your travel plans, or if there are tasks in your home project that need immediate attention. Step 6. Organizing your calendar and meetings. Asana is also great for managing your personal schedule. If you have personal appointments, meetings, or social events, you can add them as tasks with due dates. You can view these tasks in a calendar view, which gives you a visual way to see your upcoming plans. This is super useful for organizing both your personal life and work in one place. For instance, you can add a task like dentist appointment and set it for next week, and Asana will automatically show it in your calendar. Step 7. Adding notes and reminders. Sometimes you need a space to jot down thoughts, ideas, or reminders. Asana lets you add notes within tasks, so you can always have a place to quickly record anything important. You can even attach files, links, or photos to tasks, which is useful if you're planning trips or saving receipts for expenses. Another great feature is Asana's mobile app, which helps you keep your personal life organized on the go. Whether you're grocery shopping, at the gym, or on vacation, you can quickly check your tasks and mark things as complete from your phone. You can also receive push notifications on your phone, so you're always reminded of tasks or upcoming due dates, even when you're away from your computer. And that's it. Asana isn't just for work projects. It's a versatile tool that can help you stay organized in your personal life as well. From managing daily routines to tracking long-term goals, Asana makes it easier to stay on top of everything. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.